All right, guys, me personally, I know I went overboard, but I don't care. I just found out today, November 5th, that this was even a thing, and without even knowing it, I didn't pre-order anything. I found out that it was available for pickup at my local Target, and I just couldn't help myself. A Pokemon fan, a Gen 4 fan, a Gen 4 remakes fan. So once I realized this was available, I pretty much felt obligated to pick up the Diamond and Pearl version of the Switch Lite. I understand that this is on some form of limited edition release right now, and I'm assuming that it's going to be limited edition forever, but I know that there's definitely some shipping issues right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this up real quick, show you what the unboxing experience is like, then I'm going to compare it to my normal base edition Switch Lite, which looks very basic, very simple, and I'm just going to compare the two together so that you guys can see the differences. I know that the holidays are coming up and a lot of people are probably looking to pick up one of these for a relative or themselves. So at the very least, all I can do is show you what it looks like since I got it on day one. The unboxing experience is the same as the normal Switch. No surprises here. You get a charger, some pamphlets, and of course the Switch itself. I'm gonna be honest, I'm really annoyed that there was nothing else included in this because they definitely could have went the extra mile here and give us something custom besides the Switch itself. On the DS Lite, the limited edition release literally like 10 years ago, it came with a ton of extras like a case, a little poster, and a DVD with the original animated short. So of course, I'm a bit annoyed. And I have to mention that because back then, they just threw it in. They didn't even charge extra for it. It was base price and you got all these extras. So I'm a little pissed that I even have to make this comparison. Just wanted to get that out of the way, but let's just move on. There's nothing else to see here besides the Switch itself, which the design is exactly like the DS version from back in the day, except it looks like they toned it down a little bit on the glitter quite a bit, which I think looks better anyways. Looking around, we have this gunmetal gray color around the whole body and black accent buttons. The plastic feels the same as on the standard Switch Lite, but has a light glossy finish, and the plastic has the tiniest bit of texture. The design on the back is very minimal, just like it was on the classic DS Lite, and as for the art piece itself, I'm 90% sure that this is painted on there, and I personally would be very concerned about it chipping or fading off after extended use, primarily because if you're the person that doesn't use a case, your sweaty, greasy gamer fingers are going to rest on that art piece, where on the original DS release, it was on the back of the display where your hands never were. Personally, I'm getting a clear case to preserve this design the best that I can. Other than that, it's 100% the same exact Switch as the standard model. Even the plastic between the bumper and the trigger button is the exact same as the standard. Either way, I'm glad I picked this up. I'm still pissed they didn't add any extras, so that's all I really have to say. It's my quick unboxing experience, quick comparison. If you like Pokemon, this is a great addition if you have a collection to your collection, but I know for a fact Nintendo could have done a lot more to spruce up the experience. And unfortunately, I have to say because of that, no extras being included in this isn't a must buy. And if you just can't get your hands on this for the holiday season, go for the normal version. This is a nice addition if possible, but not required. But either way, I'm getting out of here. I hope you enjoyed this real quick unboxing video, and I hope to see you in the next one.